Hi, today we're going to be showing you how to make cassava crisps. Cassava is also known in some places of the world as yuca, and this is what it looks like when it's peeled. So you can, without being peeled, it looks like this here. So when you peel it, it ends up looking like this, and that's basically the first step. Is you want to get all the skin out, which is fairly thick, until you end up with these long pieces that look like this. Next thing you'll want to do is use a mandolin slicer and just slice thin pieces of the cassava, and keep going slowly both ways. Wearing gloves is always a good idea because you don't want to end up getting cut with the blade because it's fairly sharp. Eventually what you'll end up with are these thin slices that you can then put in the fryer, and we'll show you that next. This is what you should end up with. Next, you'll want to put each of those thinly sliced pieces of cassava into the fryer with some hot oil. Make sure the oil is already hot before you put these in, and you just want to fry for a little bit. So this is what it should look like when it's close to being ready and ready to take out. So you basically see that it's brown and crispy, and that's when you know you're good to go. Place it in this sort of container to let the oil drain. It's really good. Let it be for a couple minutes, and we'll show you what to garnish it with once it cools down. So to garnish on top of the crisps, you'll add 1 teaspoon of salt. Alright, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, or less if you don't want it too spicy, and half a teaspoon of citric powder. Mix the whole thing up nice and good. And that's basically what that should look like. And this is what you'll be sprinkling on top of the crisps here. So we'll show you the final dish when it's ready here. This is what the final product should look like, and then you can garnish with the mixture of salt, red chili powder, and citric powder that we showed you earlier. And that's basically it. So simple, quick and easy recipe for cassava crisps or chips. I find they taste better than the regular chips, and they make for a great snack. So this is how you go about doing it. The main thing, or the main skill in this, not really a skill, or the main tool you require is a mandolin slicer, because it allows you to get thinly sliced chips. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. Thank you.